Dwarf planets in our solar system are fascinating. Today, let's dive into the secrets of Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This dwarf planet is a treasure trove of cosmic wonders. First up, a bit of history. Ceres was discovered way back in 1801 by Giuseppe Piazzi, and for a long time it was just another asteroid. But come 2006, scientists decided it was so unique it deserved its own tidal dwarf planet. And guess what? When NASA's Dawn spacecraft visited in 2015, it made Ceres the very first dwarf planet to have a close encounter with a spacecraft. Pretty cool, right? Now let's get into some juicy details. Ceres is named after the Roman goddess of corn and harvests. Fun fact, the word cereal comes from her name. And believe it or not, Ceres holds a whopping 25% of the asteroid belt's total mass. But to put things in perspective, Pluto is still 14 times more massive. So, what makes Ceres so special? Water. Yep, you heard that right. Water. Unlike many other planets and moons, Ceres has water, and that makes it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Imagine tiny microbes similar to bacteria living there. If not now, maybe in the past. It's a big deal. Talking size and distance, Ceres has a radius of 296 miles. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Ceres would be like a poppy seed. From the Sun, it's 257 million miles away, or 2.8 astronomical units. Sunlight takes 22 minutes to reach Ceres. Just think about that. Ceres' orbit and rotation are fascinating too. It takes 4.6 Earth years to orbit the Sun, but its day is super short, just 9 hours. And unlike Earth, it has practically no tilt, so it doesn't experience seasons. Now here's a quick rundown. No moons, no rings, and it's technically an embryonic planet. This means it started forming but couldn't finish because of Jupiter's strong gravity. That's why it's chilling in the asteroid belt today. Ceres has a layered interior similar to Earth's, but it's less dense. Think of it as a solid core with a mantle of water ice. Get this, if Ceres has as much water as scientists think, it might have more water than Earth. The surface of Ceres is intriguing. It's covered in small craters, none bigger than 175 miles in diameter. This could be because of ice or other materials smoothing out the surface over time. Plus, there might have been hydrothermal activity like ice volcanoes that erased some of the larger craters. And here's a wild thought. Some craters on Ceres are in permanent shadow, potentially harboring water ice for eons. Imagine what secrets those shadows hold. Lastly, Ceres has a very thin atmosphere which might contain water vapor. This vapor could be from ice volcanoes or sublimating ice. And unlike Earth, no magnetosphere here. So there you have it, folks. Ceres isn't just a big rock in space, it's a fascinating world with its own mysteries. If you're as excited as I am about space exploration, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.